So, someone said yes, and now it's time to celebrate this unforgettable moment. But how do you create an engagement party setup that's elegant, on theme, and reflects your love story? Whether you're planning an intimate gathering or a big bash, this video covers 10 engagement decor ideas that will make your celebration sparkle. And stick around till the end, because I'll be revealing one decor tip that transforms any space into an enchanting engagement setting, effortlessly.
Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started.
What's the best theme for an engagement party? Your theme sets the tone for the entire celebration. Romantic rustic works beautifully with soft florals, wood accents, and candlelight. For something more glam, go for gold and white with crystal decor and elegant touches. A modern minimalist theme uses clean lines, neutrals, and a pop of metallic. Choose a vibe that reflects you as a couple. Want help choosing a theme? Like this video and share it with your party planning partner. How do I set the color palette for the event? Color builds cohesion and emotion. Soft blush and gold bring romance. Navy and silver offer elegance with a bold touch. Neutrals like ivory, beige, and champagne feel timeless. If you want a playful atmosphere, try coral, mint, or dusty rose. Keep your palette to 2 to 3 complementary shades for a clean, curated feel. Need help with color choices? Check the description for color combo inspirations and style guides. What's a great entrance decor idea for engagements? First impressions matter. Welcome guests with a "She Said Yes" or future Mr. and Mrs. sign styled with florals or balloons. Use an arch of pampas grass, fresh flowers, or modern acrylic panels at the entrance. Add a carpeted walkway lined with candles or greenery for a romantic touch. Love making a statement? Comment your favorite entrance idea below. What are the best engagement table centerpieces? Centerpieces set the mood at every table. Use vases filled with soft blooms like roses or peonies paired with greenery. Add candles in glass holders for glow, or use lanterns for a rustic charm. For modern flair, try geometric terrariums with succulents or dried flowers. Want to style your tables like a pro? Check the description for links to centerpiece ideas and products. How should I set up the dessert or drinks table? This is your party's sweet spot, literally. Use a white or blush tablecloth and decorate with cake stands, floral garlands, and a banner like "Love is Sweet." Add trays with champagne glasses, macarons, and a cake topper that says "Engaged." Match your treats to the party's color scheme for aesthetic harmony. Planning your dessert corner? Subscribe now for more styling ideas and party tips. What are the best backdrop ideas for photos? Photo areas are a must-have. Use a shimmer wall with a neon sign that says "Engaged," "Forever Starts Here," or your initials. Add a floral arch or draped fabric in your theme colors. Include props like ring cutouts, love signs, and heart glasses for fun moments. Want a dreamy photo area? Check the description for backdrop must-haves and signage ideas. What kind of lighting works best for an engagement party? Lighting adds the magic. Use string lights above tables, across fences, or from the ceiling for soft sparkle. Place fairy lights in vases or around signs. Add warm-toned candles to tables and bar areas to create a cozy ambiance. If it's outdoors, LED lanterns or path lights add charm. Want more lighting ideas? Check the description for lighting tools and glow-up tips. How can I add personalized decor details? Personal touches make the event memorable. Use framed quotes, your engagement photos, or a monogrammed welcome sign. Add a custom timeline of your love story on a board or wall. Display a guest book alternative like a wishing tree, photo book, or custom puzzle guests can sign. Have a unique idea for your story? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear it. These 10 engagement decor ideas will help you create a celebration full of heart, elegance, and unforgettable style. Whether you're keeping it intimate or going all out, let your personality shine through every detail. Which idea are you excited to try? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description for everything you need to create a stunning engagement celebration.